Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I have a combine haul to share with you today. I have a little bit of items from TJ Maxx, Five Below, and Walmart clearance aisle. So without further ado, if you're interested in this kind of video, just keep watching and I will share with you what I got. Here we go, guys. Let me start with my TJ Maxx purchase. This is the first time I went to TJ Maxx, so that's why I was so surprised when I found a lot of beautiful items there that is so affordable. So next time I will go there again and we'll try to get some other things, because I didn't get a chance to walk around as much as I want, because during that time they are closing early. I think that was for a Sunday they close. I didn't realize that they close early, and like I said, this is my first time to go there, so I didn't know. But next time I will go there early so I can get some more items. All right, here you go. First item I got from TJ Maxx is this Mia Mika packing cubes. It's an organization cube that comes in 3 pieces. It comes with 6 by 10.5, 15.5 by 8.25 by 10.25, and 8.25 by 14.25 inches. So here you go. This is how it looks. So beautiful. So there's the large one, or the extra large size. That is awesome. I love a clear organization item, so I pick up this one, and I love the color too, so I got this one. It comes in this large size, and here's the medium and the small one. I love it, guys, so I pick it up, and this is from the clearance aisle, or maybe, yeah, it's a clearance for $6. I only got it for $6. Before $6, they mark it down to, this is what I've been doing before for Walmart clearance too, guys. So let me check. Oops. Pardon me. I just want to see how much they dropped the price before $6. And here you go. Oops. I hope you can see it clear. Nah, it didn't work. Give me a second. Oh well, it didn't work, but it looks like they dropped it to $8 before $6, so I got it for $6. Alright, so let's move on. Next item I found out that they also have a lot of acrylic containers that is affordable, so I pick up this one, and this comes in 2 pieces. It's a stackable organizer by Oasis. It comes in 2 pieces, and it says here multi-purpose storage, bed, bath, kitchen, or office. And I got this for $5.99 compared to $9, it says there, which is cool. I saw some of this at Home Goods before, and it's expensive, so I didn't get it. But this one, when I found this one for $6, it's cool for me, so I can afford that. It says here space-saving removable hinge lid, nest for easy storage, clear visibility, and comes in 10.75 by 6.5 by 2.4 inches in size. So that is the size. Let me show you guys. Here's how it looks. So beautiful. I love that the lid is hinged like that. Super cool. And again, it's cooler that it is what they call this, attachable or retractable, something like that. Oops, I think that this is off. Uh-oh. I think I broke it. Oh no, I broke it right there. That's a bummer. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Alright, so there you go. I got this too. And then the last item I got from TJ Maxx is this beautiful container for a fridge, for refrigerator. And I also just got this for I think this is also for $6. And this one is a gourmet three-tier deli storage container. Total capacity of 3.3 quarts. Great for deli meat, cheese, and bacon. So I get this one. Oh my goodness, what I'm doing. I got a crack there. Oh no. I didn't handle it right. Gosh. It's been a long day, guys. Oh well. I hope it will work. It still works. But there you have it. Alright, so comes in this big one. A big container. Also has this I don't know what you call this, like a spacer. So it goes in there. Oh, there you go. I got it for $6.99. And then this will go in between. Right there. In the middle. And this goes on top with the lid on it. So here you go. Here's this one with the lid. So yeah, that's cool. That's how I like it. So there you go. I pick up those 3 containers that I found at TJ Maxx. Moving on to Five Below, my Five Below haul. I only have 3 items here. So I found this Stitch wireless speaker. Oh, hubby found it for me. So we picked this up. This is for $15. I love Stitch. So we picked this one up for me. And then we've been looking for a Kuromi duck. So he found this one for me. Get the Kuromi there. I don't know who's this character. But also Hello Kitty. This is of course for $5. Hello Kitty and Friends at Five Below. And last item for Five Below haul is this another duck. This one. Hubby also picked this one for him. It's a Ghostbusters Slimer duck. Look how cute it is. Isn't that cute? So yeah, we love Ghostbusters too, so we picked that up. Alright, next haul from Walmart. Our Walmart haul here. Alright, for our Walmart haul, we got this Great Value Soothing Lotion Facial Tissue in a clearance aisle for $5. So I got this one. And then we also found this underwear. We found this underwear for $8.99. Comes in 3X. It's a Hanes 3 tagless boxer briefs. And I don't know how much is the original price of this one. But it seems like $30 something. I don't know. But hubby picked it up. So got that one. And the last item I have here from our Walmart haul is this Nub by Better and what is this? Better Homes and Gardens. Better Homes. yeah, Better Homes and Gardens. And this is only $2.50, original price of $4.96. They also have in black and gold color for this one, but I get the silver one for my drawer. It's a knob set, satin nickel finish, and comes in 2-pack. Also comes with this what you call this, screw nuts. And there you have it, guys. That is my TJ Maxx, Five Below, and Walmart haul to share with you today. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys want to see some of the items that I found at where it is, Walmart. I think I have a Walmart walkthrough video that I just uploaded recently, so you guys can check that out and you can find some cool items that I also found at Walmart. And there you have it. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.